Struggling, trying to run some wires, and
why is the car? No. With us two in the front seat.
Yeah. So now my first Huracan supercar mod manual. I think you missed a word in there. Look guys, this is an 18 Huracan, 603 horsepower.
This is that guy. This guy.
that was insane.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super busy day. Poor Noid's gonna be running off his feet. We're starting here with these guys at the university filming a music video. Then we're going to see my buddy Fraser. We're getting the radar detector installed in the Huracan, getting ready for a road trip. And then I'm going to see my buddy Mike, and we're laser cutting out some brackets for something really cool I want to show you guys. So there's a lot ahead of us. We have an early day right now, and let's get going.
Hey, and you got to let everybody know that today we're doing all of this without Starbucks.
Without Starbucks.
Without Starbucks. That's, come on.
Might be a couple Red Bull.
Yeah, exactly.
No Swiss Chalet.
Yeah, that's
we don't
very
have
true.
Swiss Chalet in Saskatoon.
Yeah.
But listen.
Yeah.
We're going on a road trip next week. I hope this video is up by then. That's your job.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be heading back to Kelowna. I want to meet some of you guys. There's a Choppers and Coffee there. We're gonna take the Huracan, and I'd love to meet some of you guys. I met some of you guys in North Battleford already. I've met a pal of you around Saskatoon, but it'd be super cool to meet you guys on the road on the way out. If you look up my name on Snapchat, I'll have my snap map on. Follow us along and you'll know where we are.
Sweet. Okay, well, let's get back to the music video.
Yeah.
Hey, so Steven,
yo,
can we tell people about the trip that's happening? Or are we keeping that a secret?
I already talked about the trip over there.
You did, but you didn't really go into detail of what we were doing or anything.
Am I invited? Because like it seems like you guys gonna have fun and shit. I feel I'm left out, you know?
Yeah.
Come on, I want to be in this.
You know, if you can fit in that Lambo. No. With us two in the front seat, you're good to go.
Yeah. I'm in the front.
Yeah.
Oh, I can fit a truck like. Yeah.
What's happening here? Whose music video is this?
My homeboy music video. We're out here with
your homeboy. You gotta plug him in.
My homeboy Augie. We shooting music video. Augie Dougie. You know we're out here with Steve.
How did you connect with Steve then?
You did, my G.
Lamborghini or Ferrari?
Lamborghini.
Have you seen his other Lamborghini?
No, I haven't.
This Lamborghini or the one behind you?
This one.
Ah, the Huracan wins again.
Yeah. Good Lambo.
It is a very good
And this one is sexy too, but I like the blue one. It's my favorite color.
Right?
Personally.
Well, Steve, that's it. We're done.
That's it.
Let's get out of here.
Let's go.
Hey, what do we got? The radar install?
Radar's next.
Radar's next?
Yeah.
All right. Well, see you later, TJ. Have a good day, buddy.
You too, man. You guys
see you later, buddy. Steve, what's happening?
Well, this, in my opinion, is the best investment for your Huracan. Fraser, what brand do you guys sell for radar detectors? Redenzo he sells. This is Escort. But in the supercars...
Hey, what's better?
Redenzo.
Redenzo's better.
Yeah, I don't know. I just happen to have like 4 of these 360s, so I just use them.
So why is this the best investment?
Well, not so much this, but the install Fraser's doing.
Kind of like right here.
Okay.
Take a quick look. Tell me what you think.
Where's it go? Where's that piece go?
This guy's not a professional. He's reading manual.
Yeah.
Always RTFM, read the manual.
Yeah.
It's really important.
RTFM, read the manual. I think you missed a word in there. Yeah.
So Fraser, what's happening here? What are you doing?
Right now I'm trying to figure out how to mount this thing because I've never done a Lambo one before.
So every car has a different thing?
Every car has a different blend mount, yeah.
How's the powering going here?
The powering is being powered and the grounding is being grounded. So
And that's all you need, just power and ground?
That's it. We just need accessory or ignition and ground, so it comes on and off with the car's ignition.
Okay, so what's happening here? You're just making the wires longer, or?
Gonna make them longer, solder them, cover them, tape it all up, make it look factory.
Oh yeah, no, this is awesome. I love it. Yeah.
So Fraser, what's happening here?
Struggling, trying to run some wires, and this car.
Why is it the car? Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. The car is just built tight.
Yeah.
Kurt, everything's almost done, hey?
Yes, sir.
Everything is plugged in. You're just doing the final touches. Look at that. Oh, tape's coming off, so it must mean it's done.
Yeah, buddy.
So, Steven, where are we?
Right, Nextgen Automotive with Fraser.
Oh, right there. So what do they do?
Like,
Call.
ask Fraser what they
Hey,
do.
Fraser, what do you guys do here?
Check it out. Radar.
Okay, so check it out here. Look at this. So
Okay.
this is before Fraser got here, this cord.
Yep.
Remember when we bought the car? And I was like, this has got to be a joke. There needs to be another cord.
Yep.
This is before Fraser got here. That's after Fraser got here.
Nice. And now you don't need to reach back there to press mute either.
Right.
eh?
He put it up here. So it's doop, doop. Nice and convenient right there.
Look at that.
Right there. So and then he put this flood mount on here. So instead of it being stuck to the windshield, it's part of the mirror.
Nice.
Right? And then he wired this all in, all across here, took it all apart, put it together.
And now it's nice and clean.
Now it's nice and clean. Out with the old, that's the old windshield suction, or not suction, sticker suction thing.
Yeah, and in with the new.
In with the new.
So there's a new radar detector installed into the Lambo.
And next they're gonna do my Gallardo and my Land Rover. Woo! No weed.
Yo,
New parts day, buddy.
Look
I
at
told
that.
you UPS was here.
what is that?
I'll show you, come with me. So if my planning is right, because you and I are going to Western Canada, so there's no storage in here. You and I don't pack light, you bring 2 cameras. So my plan is I want to put a 82-inch ski tote on the roof.
Storage compartment above your vehicle?
So 82 inches.
Yeah.
So originally I thought about having it mounted on the roof, right?
Yeah.
So it would go from about here, stick out a few, a foot,
Yeah.
to about here.
Okay.
I got the sea suckers here, and assuming I did this right, we're gonna do something like this. Yeah, let's give this a go.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna have to build them out of cardboard first to get everything lined up. We're at Grand West Enterprises, where you kind of buy wholesale things. This is where my ski box is, I hope. And you had to chauffeur me down here because I sold my Colorado for an
You don't have a
SUV.
truck.
Actually, you know what? The box is 7 feet long. I wouldn't have fit my Colorado anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna run in here and grab it.
Okay. Bay 5?
Phase 5.
What is that?
So he's got multiple buildings, and that's the 5th building on your right. Hey, weed.
Yeah.
Phase 5.
Aha, look
See
at
what I'm
that.
saying? So like all the buildings have different phases and there's different things in each one.
Yeah.
So Grand West is multiple buildings on this block.
Yeah.
Grand West is a wholesaler because obviously I own a company, so I can buy as a wholesaler. But if you wanted to buy retail, you would go to Tiger Automotive and they stock all this stuff here. This is essentially as big as this container we're mounting on the roof of the Huracan. You know what we should do?
What?
Do you have a few minutes? I want to mock it up on here. I'll get a blanket and some pillows and let's set it on there and see what it's going to look like. And then while there's 2 of us, because I have to build those laser brackets.
Yeah.
So while there's 2 of us, we can lift it and set it on.
Perfect, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Whoa, whoa, Steven, the wind's strong today.
Yeah, it's like a sail in the wind right now. Let's open this thing up. I have a shop I could be doing this at. No, my staff will not be impressed if I start doing it there in the middle of the day.
Leah, if you're wondering why the blanket was so dirty, this is why.
Well, the car's clean. The car's probably cleaner than the house.
Oh, Leah, and your pillows.
I'm not worried about this.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Maybe, does it matter which way it goes?
Oh, no, that should be the front. Right? That's how it would sit. Oh, see, not that bad.
Just, I think we gotta lift it back up a little more. Maybe if we, I should just slide something under the front to simulate that. Well, you could mount it in the middle of the roof, but I think this looks kind of cooler.
Something just like that.
I have fabricated a bracket to go across the roof to hold my ski tub. That thing over there, that 7-foot container is going on the roof of this car.
So how you doing that? How you putting that on there?
Well, you and I, when we travel, never have space in this car or this car.
Yeah, there's literally no space.
We're building space on a little different. So what we're gonna do is I have the sea suckers on here, right?
So for the people that don't know, what are sea suckers?
Sea suckers are a universal suction cup. They're a super strong suction cup. People speed tested these well over 200 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, I'm pretty, I like to say a pretty strong guy, and these are really on there.
I think you'd smash the glass before you got them off there.
Oh yeah.
And then what I've got in the back of my Rover is a bracket we cut on the laser. That'll come up here, go across here, so it supports all the weight evenly across the whole thing.
See, it's easy to explain, but until you show us,
You wanna
we
see
don't
it?
know what you're talking about.
see
Yeah,
it?
let's see it.
So we're gonna test fit it.
Yeah.
If it works,
We're taking it.
no, I'm gonna send it off for powder coating.
Oh, yeah.
It is aluminum, it looks cool. I just feel like there's too many colors happening here if I don't do something with it.
Yeah. Oh, the double hatch.
The double hatch, yeah. what happens when you're old. Okay, so this is what we got here. So let's check this out.
Whoa, what is that, a weapon?
So the only thing we've made these out of so far was a cardboard template, and then we cut this like that. So what's gonna happen is, we'll have it on the back here. I'll have a bolt going through the C-sucker here. There'll be a tube through here, and then that system clamps onto the tube here. The whole container is gonna rest on here, and then a tube will go through here. So the weights will be evenly distributed front to rear, rather than like some in the front, some in the rear. Should spread it out good. And realistically, we're probably only gonna have what, like 100 pounds in there?
Yeah, if that.
Like some camera gear, some clothing.
Yeah.
So anyway.
All right, so I guess we're gonna be heading to Kelowna, Vancouver, all that good stuff.
Hopefully.
What's the date? What's the date? We're leaving 23rd of July. June 23rd.
Wednesday, June 23rd, 4 a.m. Chances of anybody seeing us between here and Calgary are pretty slim.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? Did we decide, are we going from here to Edmonton, down to Calgary?
So this is my thing. I think we should go to Edmonton because everybody in Calgary, we went through Calgary with this vehicle, but I remember going through Edmonton with this one and people loved it.
They were nuts.
Yeah, and I think people will love this one even more, especially with that thing on top of it.
Actually, you know what the cool thing is? We'll be hitting rush hour in this thing.
Oh,
in Edmonton.
that's perfect. That's perfect. Okay.
And then we could even, we'll check it out. Again, follow my snap map, but if we decide we could do Jasper,
Yeah.
Kelowna, adds like 4 hours of the trip though.
What's 4 hours in a 5,000 mile thing?
Right? Let's just do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Do it.
So I guess do all the good stuff, like,
good
subscribe,
stuff,
do all
yeah.
that stuff. Sweet. So
See you on
I'll
the next one.
see you later.
Yeah.